I need to shave your vertical pudding slot.
Never.
Well, I shall conquer the forest then.
You're gonna have one long journey.
It's that bushy?
Nah, I just be letting everyone use my kitty cat like a rag doll, so the hole goes on for miles.
Well, I mean to be fair though. Cat is cat. You clean?
Shaven?
No, from diseases.
Yeah, I've only let 11 random guys get with me since the last time I got tested.
When did you get tested last?
2 days ago.
Well, would you at least clean it up for me if I got with you?
Why would I clean it up? Other guys don't have a problem with it, so you either want it, or you don't.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I have availability on Tuesday of next week, at either 10:30 a.m. till 11 a.m., or 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. The longer sessions are for more experienced workers.
You have appointments for this stuff?
Yes. Will you be using cash or card? Or we could even finance?
How much does it cost?
For 30 minutes, it is $800. And an hour is $1,500. But it is more expensive earlier in the day, because I have less loads in me. Whereas at the end of the day, I'm stuffed like a Twinkie.
You are expensive. Am I limited to one load?
Nope. You can have as many as you can produce in your time frame.
Awesome. Am I allowed to ask you to put on a strap and do it to me?
No, I'm not into all that weird stuff. Just want Johnson really bad. So I might as well